Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Let me introduce myself first. Myself, Dr. Anita Pal, Department of Mathematics, NIT Durgapur, West Bengal, India, and also Vice President of the Academy, the Sridharacharya Academy of Mathematical Sciences, in short, which we say SAMS. So let us start the inaugural session formally. At first, I welcome you all to the inaugural session of the International Conference on Mathematical Aspects of Fuzzy Logic and its Applications as a part of celebration of 60 years of fuzzy logic, organized by the Sridharacharya Academy of Mathematical Sciences, SAMS, during June 2021 2025. At first, I would take the opportunity to call upon Professor Madhumangal Pal, Professor, Department of Mathematics, Vidyasagar University, Midnapur, West Bengal, India, and President of the Sridharacharya Academy of Mathematical Sciences, to deliver his welcome address. Sir, you can start your address, please.
Thank you. So, very good morning. Very good morning to you, all of you. Distinguished guest, particularly Professor Rafiqul Islam, the Vice Chancellor of Aliyah University, Kolkata, and the inaugurator of this program, and Professor Dr. Mahalakshmi, Dean SAS, VIT Chennai, Professor Balamurugan, VIT Chennai, esteemed speakers, participants, delegates from around the world. It is our great pleasure to welcome you to the International Conference on Mathematical Aspect of Fuzzy Logic and Applications. And this year, we are also celebrating the 60 years of Fuzzy set because the Fuzzy set is invented in 1965 by Professor Jadim. So this joint endeavor by Vidyasagar University, VIT Chennai, Aliyah University, and Yukathana Khudiram Smriti Mahavidyalaya, coordinated by Sridharacharya Academy of Mathematical Sciences, brings together experts and enthusiasts to explore the first expansion of fuzzy logic and its applications. So we are honored to have renowned keynote speakers, Professor Oscar Castillo, Professor E. Chakraborty, Professor Bijan Davaj, Professor Valentina E. Balas, Professor F. Marandes, who will share their insight and expertise in this conference. Our invited speakers, Professor Vishwajit Sarkar, Dr. Harish Garg, Professor Kulyani Deshikan, Dr. Palas Datto, and myself, Professor Madhumangal Pal, will also contribute to this rich of our discussion. Over the next 2 days, means June 20 and 21st, we will delve into the latest development, trend, and application of fuzzy logic, fostering a platform for knowledge sharing, collaboration, and innovation. We extend our gratitude to our esteemed speakers, delegates, for making this conference a reality. We look forward to a productive and enriching experience for all participants. It is our immense pleasure to confer the Lifetime Achievement Award upon our esteemed keynote speaker and the Outstanding Research Award to our distinguished invited speaker. So this is the new addition from our part. Already mentioned, we are delighted to note that over 120 faculty members, research scholars, and postgraduate students from around the world have participated in this conference, making it a truly global gathering. This remarkable turnout underscores the significance of fuzzy logic and its application in today's world. You know, the fuzzy mathematics and fuzzy logics are applied in different fields of science and technology. We congratulate to our awardees and look forward to a fruitful exchange of ideas among the participants. Welcome to this celebration of 60 years of physics and let us embark on this intellectual journey together. Welcome once you all. Thank you.
Thank you, Professor Pal, for your informative and inspiring words. Now, I would like to invite Professor Rafiqul Islam, Vice Chancellor of Alia University, Kolkata, West Bengal, India, for the inaugural address. Sir, you can please start your inaugural address.
Okay, thank you, Dr. Anita Pal. Professor Madhumangal Pal, President of Siddhar Acharya Academy of Mathematical Sciences. Dr. Bala Murugan Vijay, BIT Chennai. Dr. Sheikh Muhammad Abu Naim, General Secretary of SAMS. Honorable Dean, and all other dignitaries, keynote speakers, faculty members, paper presenters, participants, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning and namaskar. I have the privilege and honor to say a few words in the inaugural session of this jointly organized international conference on mathematical aspects of fuzzy logic and its applications, celebration of 60 years of fuzzy logic. I would like to express my sincere thanks and profound gratitude to the organizer of this conference, especially Professor Madhumangal Pal, who is also my longtime friend. We all know that fuzzy logic is an extension of classical logic to deal with uncertainty and vagueness, allowing for partial truths rather than strict true or false values. That includes control systems, data science, decision making, and so on. Fuzzy set was introduced by Lotfi Jade about 60 years ago. Jade was born in Baku, Azerbaijan. His family moved to Tehran, the capital of Iran, when he was just 10 years old, just a little boy. After graduating from the University of Tehran, I also had the opportunity to visit University of Tehran a couple of years ago. It's very nice campus. So he graduated from this university in 1942 with a degree in electrical engineering. He's an electrical engineer. He went to then MIT, then to Columbia, then to Institute for Advanced Study in Princeton, New Jersey, and finally to his University of California, Berkeley, and he remained there since then. The idea of fuzzy set came to his mind when he was investigating basic issues in system analysis, especially the issue of unsharpness of class boundaries. That is, the failure of things in the physical world to conform to classical Boolean logic, the true or false, black or white, 0 or 1, mathematics that underpins much of computer science. His innovation found a following, particularly in the East. In 1980s, engineers in Sendai, Japan, incorporated fuzzy logic into the design of cities' new subway. Then fuzzy logic was also applied in cameras, washing machines, vehicle transmissions and anti-skid braking systems, air conditioners, thermostats, rice cookers, vacuum cleaners, unmanned helicopters, and the list goes on. Ladies and gentlemen, I must say that fuzzy logic also has applications in algebra, game theory, geometry, linear programming, probability theory, and so on. Hope this international conference on mathematical aspects of fuzzy logic and its application organized by Alia University along with three other institutes, namely Vidyasagar University, BIT Chennai, Debrathana, SKS Mahavidyalaya, of course is coordinated by SAMS, will contribute in furthering the research and development in the field of fuzzy logic and fuzzy mathematics. Sridhar Acharya Academy of Mathematical Sciences has taken the responsibility, which is very laudable, to coordinate this large event as their commitment to promote research and studies in mathematics. So many thanks to the office bearers of the Academy. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, I wish you all a successful conference. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your enlightening speech. Thank you so
Most
much.
welcome. Most welcome.
May I now request Dr. Sheikh Mohammad Abu Naim, Faculty, Department of Mathematics, Alia University, and General Secretary of SAMS, to introduce the Society, the Sridharacharya Academy of Mathematical Sciences. Dr. Naim, you can please start.
Thank you, Dr. Val, Honorable President of Sridharacharya Academy of Mathematical Sciences, Honorable Vice Chancellor of Alia University, Honorable Dean Madam, BIT Chennai, Balamurugan Sir, and all other participants present here today. It's my pleasure to introduce before you the Sridharacharya Academy of Mathematical Sciences. It's a professional organization established just in last year in honor of Sridharacharya, who is a famous Indian mathematician of 9th century. Although his mathematical works are very well known, but very little is known about his life. But many of the scholars have suggested that he came from Bengal region of India, and that's why it's our homage to that great soul, and we have named our association in his name. Our main objectives are to encourage and promote research in the form of workshops, seminars, and conferences, to write, compile, publish journals, books, reports in mathematical sciences. We establish a platform of researchers of mathematical sciences to exchange ideas through regular periodic meetings. We started our journey just last year on 8th September under the able mentorship of Professor Madhumangal Pal, who is also the president of the academy and is our guiding star. Within the short span of time since the inception of the academy, we have been able to organize two other events before this one. On 22nd September, we organized a national workshop on graph theory in memory of Professor E. Sampath Kumar, who was a pioneer in studying graph theory in India. And that was a huge event. Around 700 participants across 22 states and 4 union territories of India participated in that workshop. The second one was a training program that was on AI and ChatGPT for enhancing scientific document writing. And this one, the International Conference on Mathematical Aspects of Fuzzy Logic and its Application, is our third venture. More than 100 participants are taking part in this program also. And all this have been possible only because of the members of the academy. So far, we have around 100 life members and a few annual members, apart from a galaxy of honorary members from India and abroad. I would like to request all the participants present here today who are still not a member of the academy to join us and to carry forward the objectives. By becoming life members, you'll be able to get many benefits like discounts on every event, discount registration fee in every event organized by the SAMS. You can also organize jointly many events along with the academy and other institutions, and many more which will be actually helping you in your professional growth. So we have all the formalities given in our website, how to take the membership. So with this, I conclude the introduction of the Sridharacharya Academy of Mathematical Sciences before you. Thanks for patiently listening to me. Thank you once again.
Thank you, Dr. Naim, for your motivating and inspiring words. Thank you. May I now request Professor Bala Murugan, PJ from VIT Chennai to address the esteemed audience. Sir, you may
Thank you.
start.
Yes, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Good morning to everyone. It gives me immense pleasure to say a few words on the occasion of this international conference on the mathematical aspects of fuzzy logic and its applications being held today and tomorrow. We are gathered here to celebrate a remarkable milestone, 60 years of fuzzy logic, a field that has not only enriched mathematical theory, but also find impactful applications across a wide range of industries. What makes this event truly special is the spirit of collaboration that has brought it one place. This conference is the result of the combined efforts of the four esteemed institutions: Vidyasagar University, VIT University Chennai, Alia University, Debaratana SKS Mala Vidyalaya. These institutions have come together to jointly organize this academic gathering, which is being coordinated by Siddhartha Academy of Mathematical Sciences, West Bengal. I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks and congratulations to the president of Siddhar Acharya Academy of Mathematical Sciences and the overall convener, Dr. Madhubangal Paul, Professor and Head, Department of Mathematics, Vidyasagar University, for his outstanding leadership in uniting these academic powerhouses and leading this 60 years celebrations on fuzzy logic. I am also delighted to note that more than 100 participants from various parts of the country taking part in this conference. Out of these, over 75 researchers will be presenting their valuable findings alongside 5 keynote addresses and 5 invited talks by distinguished speakers in this field. The conference offers a wonderful platform for knowledge sharing, academic networking, and inspiration for future research in fuzzy logic and its diverse applications. Before I conclude, I would like to take a moment to sincerely thank the Vice President and Management of VIT University, the Pro Vice Chancellor, VIT Chennai, Additional Registrar, Dean Dr. Mahalakshmi, and the faculty members of the Department of Mathematics, VIT Chennai, for their constant encouragement and support in making this joint research initiative possible one. Thank you all, and I wish the conference a grand success. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your astonishing words. Thank you so much. May I now request Professor Mahalakshmi, Dean, VIT Chennai, to please address the audience.
Good morning, everyone. Yeah, I'm audible. Good morning, everyone. We are delighted to be a part of this international conference, a joint conference where you're having 4 different institutions which are participating. So it's indeed a wonderful opportunity for us. And conference is mainly for exchange of ideas and looking into the new advances and outlooks in the thrust areas of the fuzzy logic. So this will be a wonderful opportunity to the participants, since this will synergize the ideas from basic concepts to applications in different research areas. So we are looking forward to gathering maximum knowledge with respect to our team, because our research scholars would be happy to be joining this conference. And congratulations to the organizers, especially Dr. Madhumangal Pal, for organizing this wonderful joint conference. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your awe-inspiring words. Thank you so much. We are at the end of our inaugural session. So finally, it is time to extend our thanks and gratitude. So I request Dr. Shobhan Samanto, Faculty, Tamluk College, Midnapur, West Bengal, India, and Editorial Secretary of SAMS, to deliver the vote of thanks. Dr. Samanto, you can please proceed.
Good morning, Good morning, everyone. It is my great pleasure to extend a warm vote of thanks on behalf of SAMS at the beginning of this international conference on mathematical aspects of fuzzy logic and its applications, marking 60 years of fuzzy logic. I first thank our chief guest, Professor Rafiqul Islam, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Alia University, for inaugurating this event and sharing encouraging words. My sincere gratitude to Professor Madhumangal Pal, President of SAMS, for his continued leadership, and to Dr. Sheikh Mohammad Abu Noaim, General Secretary, Dr. Anita Pal, Vice President of SAMS, Professor Bala Murugan BJ from VIT Chennai, for their efforts in organizing this conference. A heartfelt welcome and thanks to all our distinguished speakers. Professor Mihir Kumar Chakraborty from Calcutta Mathematical Society, India. Professor Oscar Castillo, Tijuana Institute of Technology from Mexico. Professor Vijan Dawaj from Yad University, Iran. Professor Valentina E. Balaz from Oral Vlasu University of Arad, Romania. Professor Madhumangal Pal, again, Vidyasagar University, India. Professor Biswajit Sarkar from Yonsei University, South Korea. Professor Florentine Smarandache from University of New Mexico, USA. Dr. Horis Garg, Thapar Institute of Engineering Technology, India. Dr. Polas Dotto from Dibrugarh University, India. Professor Kullani Deshikan from Kalashalingam Academy of Research and Education, India.
No,
Thank
no,
you.
Kollani ma'am is from VIT Chennai.
Oh, sorry, it's my mistake. Thank you for joining us to this special occasion. We are truly honored by your presence. To all our delegates, presenters, participants, session chairs, thank you for being part of this conference. Finally, my sincere appreciation goes to the entire organizing team and volunteers, especially from our co-organizers, Vidyasagar University, Alia University, VIT Chennai, Devrathana, SKS Mahavidyalaya, for their excellent coordination and supports. Thank you all once again. Let the conference begin with inspiration and meaningful learning. Wishing everyone a successful and enjoyable 2 days ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Shamanto, for your kind and incredible words. Thank you so much. With this, we end our inaugural session, and now it's time to start our technical session. At first, we have Professor Oscar Castillo as a keynote speaker. For this, I request Dr. Sheikh Mohammad Abu Naim to chair the session. So the platform